Today I'm going to talk about the new Cook County Sweetened Beverage Tax, also known as the Cook County Soda Tax. I'm going to explain what is taxed, how it's taxed, and for retailers, how to properly report and remit the tax to Cook County, Illinois. And for the renegades out there, how to get around paying the tax if you live in Cook County. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Noel B. Lorenzana with Lorenzana Tax and Accounting Services in Chicago and Morton Grove, Illinois. I'm an Illinois licensed registered CPA, licensed tax preparer in all 50 states, and certified tax resolution specialist. Okay, so Cook County, Illinois encompasses Chicago and is the second largest county in the United States in terms of population size, Los Angeles County being the largest. Effective for August of 2017, the Cook County Board of Commissioners passed the controversial Cook County Sweetened Beverage Tax. The tax will be at a rate of 1 cent per ounce on the retail sale of all sweetened beverages in Cook County. So what is actually covered in the new Cook County Soda Tax? That's a good question. Any and all sweetened beverages, including soda or pop like Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, sports drinks like Gatorade, flavored water like vitamin water, energy drinks like Red Bull and Monster, also pre-made sweetened coffee and tea with less than 50% milk content. Basically, any naturally or artificially sweetened drink that you can buy from a store or restaurant. There are exceptions to this tax, which include bottled water, including sparkling water, 100% natural fruit or vegetable juice, drinks with milk, soy, or rice that are the primary ingredient, meaning more than 50%. Unsweetened drinks where a purchaser can add or can request that a retailer add sugar at the point of sale. This is like your Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks regular coffee. Beverages for medical use and weight reduction drinks and meal replacement drinks. For retail consumers, any syrup or powder that you can combine with other ingredients to create a beverage is not subject to the soda tax. If you need more information about what is and isn't covered, the full ordinance will be linked in the description below. Next question I would like to address is how the tax is actually collected and remitted to the county. Okay, every month the retailer, which is the place where the sweetened beverage is sold to the end consumer, is required to file a report called the floor tax return by the 20th day after the end of the following month. For example, the tax return for August is due by September 20th. The way the tax is reported is not on actual sales, but on the actual inventory of the sweetened beverages that are on hand at the beginning of the month, even if the inventory is not actually sold. So the obvious question is, what if some inventory is not sold during the month? Well, it's not taxed twice, so in the next reporting month you would need to deduct the inventory that was already taxed. Does that make sense? Distributors and retailers are required to keep accurate records showing all transactions to support any tax liability. In other words, the burden of proof is on you, the retailer or distributor. Penalties are steep. Violators of the Cook County Soda Tax are subject to a $1,000 fine for the first offense and $2,000 for subsequent offenses. That's expensive. Don't get caught, get compliant, and don't ignore this tax. Okay, so what are some of the ways the consumer can get around paying the soda tax? Well, I don't advocate this, but some people are buying their soda or sweetened beverages outside of Cook County. Another way is to buy the powdered or syrup concentrated versions of the sweetened beverage, which is not subject to the tax. Currently, it appears that Amazon is not collecting the tax from buyers in Cook County, which doesn't mean they haven't implemented the new tax. It just means that they're likely absorbing the tax or have yet to fully implement taxing you, the consumer. If it works for you, great. Your mileage may vary. So, to wrap this up, the new soda tax is still being challenged, so check back for updates. If you need help with reporting or understanding the new Cook County soda tax and how it affects your business, call or email me. My contact information is at the end of the video. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe to this video so I can produce more useful content. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.